Hey guys, what's up? Back here with another video tutorial on audio production. And today I wanted to show you guys how to make some echoes. Echo, 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 echo. Something like that. Well, yeah, that was pretty dumb. So here, let me pull in this beat, take a listen to it, and show you how to make some cool echoes. All right, let's take a listen. You get the idea. It's pretty basic, just a drum beat. Cool. So first, we're going to add the echo to the second track here because we don't want to apply it on the first track because it's going to sound weird if we apply it to the whole track. So hit echo. And then this brings up this window here. And now the next step is we want to measure the distance between the kick and the snare. So this is the kick. That's the snare. Kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare. Get it? And to do that, it's pretty easy. Let me... There we go. You put your cursor there. Let's actually turn off the snapping here. And then you measure the distance from here to there. You want to get this like right before the snare comes in. That's good enough. Okay, so now we have that measured. And if you look down here at the bottom right corner, it says the duration is 447.447. So now we can come over here to the effects rack and hit 447 and in the delay time. And we applied it to both the left and right. Now, of course, you're going to want to select the part you want to affect with the echo. So let's say we just want to do just this portion here. We cut that. Now turn the snapping back on so we can just snap it down here. Let's get that out of the way. And, oh, come on. This mouse is so crazy sometimes. Okay, now let's take a listen to it. You couldn't hear it, could you? That's because this is still on here. Let's mute that. So now the echo is following the beat. Pretty cool, huh? Because the thing is, if you don't set that up right and you just select a random setting here, it's gonna set the delay time to whatever that preset is set at. See, that doesn't sound good. We select another one here, analog. I don't know what that is. See, that's terrible, right? But if we measure this, like how I showed you earlier, there we go. And of course, this is on again. Turn that off. So we got 439. Hit that in there. 439. So now it's back on beat. And another thing you could do is pull out your calculator and divide this number in half. Oops. There we go. No. 439 divided by 2. There we go. 219. Okay, so now we take that number, hit it here, 219. And that's going to give us a ping pong effect. Pretty sweet, huh? Let's turn all these things down here. Change that to 0, 0, 0. What this is here on this window that says successive echo equalization is basically an EQ for the echo. So if I had all these at 0, then the echo would be coming out completely flat with a flat EQ. There we go. And if you just bring these down on the left side, it'll give you like a high pass filter effect. Cool, huh? And I mean, you can keep going with the settings here. If we divide this by 2 again, we get 109. If you hit 109 over here on the left side, gives you a faster ping pong effect. Yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it, to the echo. Oh yeah, I mean, there's the feedback. If you want the echo to go shorter, you could turn down the feedback. So that way the echo doesn't drag out as long as it was before. See how much quicker it fades out? If you bring it down to like 11%, it's going to be super short. If you drag it out to 100, it's just going to keep going forever. Forever and ever and... Okay. Yeah, it just keeps going forever and ever. To bring that back down. And the echo level is kind of like a volume for the echo. So you can bring that down. So it's not as loud. If you want it less loud, you turn it down. So you can still keep the length, but the loudness will be much lower if you bring these down. So you can bring it way down. So yeah, just play with the settings, come up with different combos, and yeah, have fun with them. Get creative, make some cool shit. Yeah, that's pretty much it for echoes. If you have any comments, questions, let me know down in the comment sections, and I'll check it out on the next video. And yeah, that's it.